Find the range of the quadratic equation, that is x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 is equal to y. By cross multiply, that is x square plus x plus 1 is equal to y into x square minus x plus 1. By simplification, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to yx square minus yx plus y. All the terms together, that is x square plus x plus 1 minus y of x square plus yx minus y is equal to 0. Our x square coefficients, that is 1 minus y, and x coefficient 1 plus y of x plus constant is 1 minus y is equal to 0. Now is the quadratic equation in terms of x. So that x is a real value, x is a real, therefore b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now here by comparison of that one, b is equal to 1 plus y and a is equal to x square coefficient 1 minus y and c is equal to 1 minus y. By applying the discriminant value b square, that is 1 plus y whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 1 minus y and b is equal to also 1 minus y is greater than or equal to 0. Now here 1 plus y whole square means a plus b whole square. By applying the a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2a minus 4 bracket. Now 1 plus y square, that is 4 into, again here 1 minus y whole square is greater than or equal to 0. By that one, here 1 plus y square plus 2y minus again 4 of 1 plus y square minus 2y. Why? Because here is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab is greater than or equal to 0. Now here 1 plus y square plus 2y minus 4y square minus plus 8y greater than or equal to 0. By all the y terms, y square terms is there, that is minus 3y square, y terms is there, here 2y and here 8y is there, 10y, the constant value 1 and minus 3 is there, that is a minus 4, that is a minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Here the minus is there, should be multiplied the minus on the equation, it becomes as a 3y square minus 10y minus plus 3 greater than or equal to become as a less than or equal to. Now we find the y value of in this one, we get the solution of that equation, that is 3y square minus, here 10y is there, minus 10y. By here 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. By the factorization of by splitting his 3 3s are 9, minus 9 and minus 1 is equal to plus 9 is there, and minus 9 minus 1 is equal to minus 10. By splitting the factorization, 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now in this one 3y is make a common, that is a y minus 3. Here minus 1 is a make a common, y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Y minus 3 into 3y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. That means here the two solutions is there, y minus 3 is less than or equal to 0 and 3y minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Now y value is 3 and y value is 1 by 3. That means the y value lie between the minus 1 by 3 and 3. So the range is equal to 1 by 3 comma close interval 1 by 3 comma 3.